India will host G20 Summit in 2023. India will host the G20 Summit in the year 2023 now. The schedule of the summit has been postponed from the year 2022. Key facts. The presidency of the 2022 will be assumed by Indonesia. The changed plan of presidency was agreed in the light that Indonesia would also chair the Association of Southeast Asian Nations meeting in 2023. India has also requested to change the G20 presidency in 2023. G20 meeting. The next G20 meeting will be held in Italy in the year 2021. Indonesia will host the 2022 G20 meeting. India will host it in 2023 while Brazil will chair the meeting in the year 2024. The G20 grouping is committed to shape a strong, sustainable, balanced and inclusive post-COVID-19 era. It also supports the anti-money laundering and counter-terrorist financing policy responses. Highlights of G20 Summit of 2020. The Prime Minister Narendra Modi during the meeting highlighted the importance of reforms in multilateral organizations. The needed to ensure a better global governance for a faster post-COVID-19 recovery. The summit also focused on building an inclusive, sustainable and resilient future along with safeguarding the planet. Prime Minister Modi also highlighted the importance of the 2030 Agenda for Sustainable Development Goals, which aims at leaving no one behind. PM said at the global level, India also took the initiative of establishing institutions like International Solar Alliance and the Coalition for Disaster Resilient Infrastructure. Chinese president asked that the G20 countries should take the lead in containing the climate change, follow the UN Framework Convention on Climate Change, and move for full and effective implementation of the Paris Agreement. How presidency is selected. The presidency of the G20 rotates annually. The presidency rotates as per a system that ensures regional balance over time. To select the presidency, the 19 countries are divided into 5 groups. Each group contains 4 countries. The presidency of the grouping rotates between each of the group. The G20 grouping selects a country from another group to be president. India's group. India is in group 2 of the G20 along with Russia, South Africa and Turkey. Headquarters of G20. G20 does not have any permanent secretariat or headquarters. The G20 president just brings together the G20 agenda in consultation with members of the grouping.